Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Saturday, March 28th. Oh, there's a bee that ventured out. I just got through doing an oxalic acid treatment. I didn't videotape it, and it was quite a roar in the hive. And there he goes. I was watching where that bee was going. He's trying to go in. There he is. Okay, there's some activity. It's a little cool. I think it's maybe about 49 degrees, 50 degrees. But tomorrow we're going to get like over an inch of rain, I think. And then the next week, for a whole week, it's going to be cloudy and showers every day. So I just put on this. Oh, okay, so they're doing some flying. And I just put this box on because I mixed up a 1-to-1 solution of syrup there, and I put in a splash of this brood booster. Didn't even have to heat this water up with a 1-to-1. It eventually dissolves and turns clear within like 10 minutes after stirring it. The only concern I have is changing the volume here. This Vivaldi board, you can see there's a gap. They're still on the right hand side of this. Oh, I think I see some, oh, there's a bee right there. And if I cover up this hole, the only ventilation is then going to be this one hole in the front. Now the temperatures aren't going to get below freezing for the coming week. It's like the lowest, I don't know what it was Tuesday or something, is going to be like 35, but mostly around 38, so upper 30s. And yeah, I was just concerned that changing the volume now, but they're still below the candy board, so sandwiched between the frames that I put sugar on and then the candy board. I took about a bunch of debris out from the hive. Looks like a lot of sugar, pieces of sugar and cappings, and a couple of pieces of burlap. But seems to be some individual bees venturing out, and there's one right there. So I'm thinking of putting a so you can hear them. So give them some syrup, even though they got a lot of sugar in the hive. I'll just cover up the hole with this lip on here. It's sunken in a little bit. I don't think they can get to that when you have this sitting on top of the mesh. I don't think that will work. What's he venting? So it sort of defeats the purpose of having the Vivaldi board on this. But I'll go ahead and just cover this up with the jar, and be interesting to see if they take it. So I'm going to leave a little bit of an opening here. Should be able to see bee activity. Well, the indication will be the drop in the amount of liquid in this jar here, but I'd like to have some additional ventilation here. I don't know how much condensation will happen in the hive with all these fluctuation in temperatures. Maybe I'm overthinking it. But yes, let's see if they go after this syrup in the next couple of days. Let's see here. Well, this is saying it's 67.5. They've been maintaining a 40-degree difference in temperature recently. So I wonder if I have more bees. So this is New England Gardening. Today's Saturday, March 28th, going into April. Still have bees. I'm hoping to catch a swarm this year, and also maybe do a split. Try to do a split. So thanks for watching.